Question 1. Golden Jubilee of 1973 Constitution was celebrated on A. 9th of April 2023, B. 10th of April 2023, C. 11th of April 2023, D. 12th of April 2023. Correct answer is B. Question 2. 1973 Constitution was enforced on A. 14th of August 1973, B. 15th of August 1973, C. 16th of August 1973, D. 17th of August 1973. Correct answer is A. Question 3. In 1973 Constitution, which form of government is provided? A. Presidential, B. Unicameral, C. Bicameral, D. Parliamentary. Correct answer is D. Question 4. 1973 Constitution provides underscore kind of parliament. A. Presidential, B. Unicameral, C. Bicameral, D. Legislative. Correct answer is C. Question 5. Articles in 1973 Constitution are A. 250B, 270C, 280D, 285. Correct answer is C. Question 6. Chapters in 1973 Constitution are A. 10, B. 12, C. 14, D. 16. Correct answer is A. Question 7. Schedules in 1973 Constitution are A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 9. Correct answer is B. Question 8. Constitution can be amended by the majority of A. 1/3 B. 3/4 C. 2/3 D. 2/4. Correct answer is C. Question 9. Total amendments passed to Constitution of 1973 are A. 26B, 27C, 28D, 29. Correct answer is A. Question 10. National Assembly approves 1973 Constitution on A. 8th of April 1973, B. 9th of April 1973, C. 10th of April 1973, D. 11th of April 1973. Correct answer is C.